What is up and welcome back to YouTube. So if you've been following along on the CRX build, we've been doing a lot. Truth is, I had a whole bunch of videos and I was cleaning up my phone and deleted them all. So there's been a huge lull getting things done. But we've been working on the paint. When we have it, we sent it out to get work done to the shop called Preferred Collision in Saskatoon. Get that done. We're gonna get it back together here, and well, we already have. I just deleted a bunch of the videos, so bear with me. This is what I have to work with right now. We'll get some more going. We'll get back on track. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you probably should, especially if you're into cool builds like this, because there's gonna be some more. So I'll put a link down there. You give it a click, subscribe, so you get a notification when I upload a video. All right, let's check it out. We'll get it back. I forgot to start taking the video before we took it apart, but here's where we are. So we got the bumper off. It's going to be painted. If you look at the earlier video, that bumper was plastic dipped. Stripped all that off. Doing this apart. The engine bay will stay orange. Starting to get the moldings and trims off. Got the door handle out. Somebody at some point tried to break into the car, so they messed up the door handle, so we'll have to fix that. Got the shifter in there. Do something with seats maybe yet. Take the wing off for paint, so it's just sitting on there right now. Excuse me, I'll have to get the doors off so we can do the jams. Yeah, other than that, we're cruising along. So again, here's the parts over here, right? So again, just following, this is a 89 CRX. That is our to-do list. K20 Awd swap boosted, probably going to be around 15 to 20. We window the blocks, then we'll build her a little stronger next time. All-wheel drive, we did the CRV transmission, and yeah, I would have liked to use a wagon, but not exactly accessible around here. Finally got our ECU set up, so we can get that in the car. 1000cc injectors, pretty standard. Let's see, we've got our arms there, things are coming along good. Lots of K20 parts, pretty sure I just bought the business. Finally got our headlights. So, should look pretty sharp on there. So, we'll finish getting her apart here today. Send her off for paint. And carry on where we left off, I guess. Well, we got the cars tore down as we're gonna get it. Got the shop now, they got the windshield out. Everything ready to be painted. The giant rust hole. Surprise! Search broke the windshield accidentally. And now we have to get that fixed. We don't have to, but I'm glad we are. Looks like maybe even a little bit right there too. Cool. Yeah, definitely one of those where do you even start things. So I think I'm gonna just start rad sport back in, intercooler, rad. The hose is back on there, get the headlights in, get the bumper on. I think I'll go up here, I'll get the exhaust on, wastegates, get the turbo downpipe on, get the cowling back on, mirrors. Get this back, and if you guys remember that was damaged. It was pretty good. Get all that back together. There's a lot to do in here yet. Lots to do in there. I'm thinking about painting that valve cover the same color as the car instead of the red one. What do you guys think? I almost feel like I got too much going on here. I've got the orange and the red and the black. I don't know, looking for some feedback. What do you guys think? Look at the wing back on. The fuel system finished. We never finished that yet. We'll get all this back together. Here we go. Not too bad. We got her mocked up there. It's not secure, it's just sitting there. We need to take it off, get the pipes in there for the intercooler and the turbo, but it gives you an idea of how we're looking. Ah, shit, we were supposed to get that upper rod sport painted. Shit. Anyway, this one on there, which is mocked up, it's kind of screwed in there, but not a big deal. Wings on there, looking sharp. Well, as the old saying goes, never half-ass two things, always half-ass one thing. So that's the window cowl. We decided we're gonna repaint it, I think. And we did this trim. It turned out really good. Get it all back together now. Looking good. Fast car. Really fast car. Serbia.
Yes.
Look at how good this trim looks. This car is like new. Shit, yeah. Gonna get new trim for here, Serge?
Yes.
Yeah, I only asked Donovan about 7 times to order it, so.
Only 7 times.
Only about 7. Yeah.
Maybe a 10th time.
Yeah, we'll wait till number 10. Looking good.
You can paint this.
Yeah, we gotta do something with that. Yeah, it looks bad.
Over near a mirror.
I wouldn't worry about mirrors. People don't use them in Saskatchewan anyway. Yeah. Then we gotta get the pipes on here. We gotta paint this too. We gotta do that blue. Same blue as the car.
That'll look really good.
Cruising along, Serge. Well, I'll show you guys a giant piss off. You have an entire car painted and prepped, and they miss a giant dent in the quarter panel. Somebody explain to me how that happens. Unreal. And as I'm sure you guessed, that's the end of that. So give it a subscribe, follow along. There's gonna be some more cool builds coming along. We always got cool stuff going on here. There's a Porsche 911 Turbo, an S2000 over there in the shop. Always cool stuff happening here. Where's that? See it back there? Oh, can't zoom in on this shit. Anyway, all right, that's all I got for this time.